to discuss one new chapter of class 8, comparing quantity, chapter number 7. In comparing quantity, what points we are going to discuss? In this chapter, we will discuss about what is the ratio, percentage, discount, SPCP, cost price and selling price, about tax, discount, simple interest, compound interest. These quantities we are going to discuss in this chapter. So let us start this introduction. As name indicates, comparing quantities. We have to compare quantities. So what are the ways to compare quantity? First of all, ratio. What is ratio? A ratio is used for comparison. A ratio means to compare to quantity. A ratio is used for comparison. Like you can write, a ratio is used for comparing quantity. A ratio is used for comparing two quantities. A ratio is used for comparing two quantities. Let us see, this basket contains two types of fruits. Consider this basket contains two types of fruit. It's two types of fruit. Let us consider this basket contain orange. Orange is 5 and mango 20. Orange is 5 and mango 20. See, in ratio, how we can compare these two quantities? You can write like 5 by 20. 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 ja 20. It is 1 by 4. You will say number of oranges are 1/4 of the mango. What you will write this one? Number of oranges are 1/4 of the given these number of mangoes. These are 1/4 of the mango. Now it is 1/4, 1 by 4. In ratio, if we want to write, we can write 1/4 and we will read it as 1:4. 1:4. How we will read this 1/4? 1:4. So being a ratio, being a comparison, this ratio has no unit. Like you have to compare 5 centimeter to 10 centimeter. You have to compare 5 centimeter to 10 centimeter. Then 5 centimeter by 10 centimeter you will write. Then centimeter to centimeter will be cancelled. Simply you will get one constant, one ratio you will get. So being a ratio, it has no unit. After that, what is percentage? Percentage meaning is out of 100. That quantities, what we are finding, out of 100 we need to tell. Now see, these mangoes are 20 and 60. 20s and 60. And total, this we want to find out of 100. What are these? Total fruits will be 20 plus 60, 80. Total fruits are 80. These are orange and these are mango. We want to find out percentage of orange in Out of this total, we want to find out what percent is present these orange in 80. In percentage, we want to find out. So for finding this percentage, write it 20 out of 80, and we want to find out in percentage, so multiply it by 100. What it will be? This 0 to 0 cancel. It is 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 4 25 ja 100. So oranges are 25%. Oranges are 25%. Percentage meaning is out of 100, that we have to tell. Now what is next point? Next point is discount. Next point is discount. What is discount? Discount is a reduction of price on any item. It is given by shoppers to attract their customer or to enhance their sellings. That is discount. And discount is always given on marked price. It is always calculated on marked price. Marked price. What is marked price? What price is listed on any item, that is its marked price. And discount is always given on marked price. So one is marked price, and second will be after giving discount, at what price you are selling it, that will be its selling price. Selling price. Marked price and selling price. How you will find out discount? Discount will be your marked price minus selling price. Marked price minus selling price. You will find out your discount. Now see, marked price minus selling price is your discount. If you need to find out amount of that discount in percentage, discount percentage, how you can find out? This is always calculated on marked price. On marked price, you will get discount. It is amount of discount by marked price into 100. This is amount of discount by marked price into 100. That is discount percentage. Discount percentage. Now suppose if this discount percentage is given to us, and out of this one is given to us like sometime marked price and sometime selling price, then how we can compute one formula? This is not a formula. After analyzing the situation, we reached on this result. See, what is marked price when selling price is given to us and discount is given to us? It will be 100 upon 100 minus discount into selling price. Always this discount you have to subtract from your marked price. So it will be 100 minus discount into selling price. And if selling price you need to find out and marked price is given to us, then you will write 100 minus discount by 100 into your marked price. Into marked price. 100 minus discount by 100 into marked price. This is marked price, list price. Marked price or list price, both are same. And your selling price will be 100 minus discount by 100 into marked price. Okay, this was about discount. Now see, it is similar to tax, but it is opposite of tax. What is tax? Tax. It is some additional charge. These charges are charged by government from us. Charges are different like GST, goods and service tax, and value added tax. Some taxes are there, and this is additional charge that we have to pay along with the cost price or whatever be list price is there. Above that we have to give this price. That will be counted as tax. Now, how you can find out tax? Tax is just selling price. If we have to find out, then marked price plus your tax. That will be your selling price. Now see, this tax is also calculated on marked price. Tax is also calculated on marked price. If you have to find out tax, then suppose it is 20% of your marked price, then you can find out easily this tax, and then you can find out your selling price. What will be your selling price after getting this tax? Now, in this also marked price and selling price, these two prices are there. And what will be their formula when tax is given to us? At last slide we discussed about discount. Now we are discussing about tax. What will be marked price? It will be 100 by 100 plus tax into selling price. Always you have to add, because this tax will be added to your marked price. So all time you have to plus tax. Selling price, it will be 100 plus tax by 100 into cost price. Cost price means it is similar to marked price only. There we will write marked price. It is marked price. Your selling price will be 100 plus tax by 100 into marked price. Now let us discuss about SP and CP, cost price and selling price. Cost price and then selling price. What is cost price? At what price we are buying articles, that is cost price, and at what price we are selling them, that will be their selling price. Cost price let us denote with CP, and this selling price let us denote with SP. Now what will happen if your cost price is greater than selling price? Your cost price is greater than your selling price. Listen, suppose you purchased a book of rupees 100 and you sold it at 90 rupees. It is your selling price. Then I think you suffer from loss of rupees 10. Then in this case we will suffer from loss, and loss we can find out are cost price minus selling price. Cost price minus selling price. And if condition is reverse, like your SP is greater than your CP. Now this is for second case. Your condition is reverse. Your selling price is 100 and your cost price was 90. You purchased a book of rupees 90 and you sold out it of rupees 100. Then you will gain of rupees 10. So how we can find out when our SP is greater than CP? When our SP is greater, that means selling price is greater than our cost price, then we will gain, means profit. And profit we can find out selling price minus cost price. Selling price minus cost price. Now see, if we have to find out this loss and profit in percentage, how we can find out loss and profit in percentage? Loss percentage, it is amount of loss by cost price into 100. Amount of loss by cost price into 100. Let us see profit percentage. Profit percentage, this is amount of profit by cost price into 100, amount of profit by cost price into 100. You will see this loss percentage and cost profit percentage always calculated on cost price. Loss and profit percentage are always calculated on cost price. These loss and profit percentage is always calculated on cost price, will be calculated on cost price. And like tax and discount are always calculated on marked price. They are calculated on marked price, and these loss and profit percentage will be calculated on cost price. Now let us discuss some formulas. If you have to find out cost price and selling price, or out of loss or profit, if one thing is given to us, then how we can find out cost price? If loss and SP is given to us, what is given? Loss and selling price is given to us, then how we can find out this cost price? It will be 100 upon 100 minus loss into SP, 100 by 100 minus loss into SP. And cost price we want to find out when in place of loss, if profit is given to us, loss you will subtract and profit you will add, into selling price. What if SP is given, SP we have to find out, and cost price and loss and profit percentage is given to us. Selling price will be CP, 100 minus loss by 100 into CP, and it will be SP is equals to 100, your selling price will be 100 plus profit by 100 into CP, into CP. So these are formulas for finding SP and CP when loss and profit percentage are given to us, and out of these two quantity, if anyone is given to us, so we can find out easily. Next one, like next is simple interest and compound interest. Simple interest and compound interest. Simple interest and compound interest. What is interest? Consider this is principal. Principal is 1000 rupees. Principal, in this what terms we need, that I'm writing. One is a rate of interest, rate of interest, suppose it is 5%, and time, suppose it is 2 year. It is 2 year, or you can write it for 1 year. Let us see what is in simple interest and what is principal. What is principal? Suppose you are depositing some amount in bank, and bank is providing us this rate of interest like 5% per annum, and for 1 year you submitted. Then after 1 year, along with your principal, you will get some extra money, and that is called interest. That is called interest. And what amount you will get? amount will be calculated as principal plus your interest. That will be interest. After 1 year with your principal, what additional money you will get, that is interest. That is called interest. And simple interest, suppose these you have given for 2 year or 3 year. What let us calculate it. It is for 1 year. Now, formula for calculating simple interest is principal into a rate into time. This rate of interest, if I will denote with R, and this principal with P, and this time with T. Simple interest will be P into R into T by 100. My principal is 1000, a rate is 5%, and time is 1 by 100. These 20 to 20 cancel. Now answer is rupees 50. Means at the end of first year you will get 50 rupees additional charge. This you will get as an interest. Difference between simple interest and compound interest is, what is that? In simple interest, first year you will get 50 rupees as an interest. Second year also your interest will be 50 rupees. Third year also your interest will be 50 rupees. That is simple interest. And what is compound interest? Compound interest, formula for computing compound interest is, this is amount formula. Amount is P into 1 plus R by 100 and its power time. See, and compound interest is amount minus principal. Amount minus principal. See, amount. Difference between compound interest and simple interest is that in simple interest, every year you will get rupees 50 as an interest. But in compound interest, for first year, compound interest and simple interest both will be same. For second year, there will be difference in compound interest and simple interest. This charge you have to add to your principal. Now that for next year you will get one new principal, and on that you will get interest. That is compound interest. And in simple interest, every time you will get interest on your first deposition. What deposited at first, on that you will get interest. Suppose you deposited 1000 rupees, so every year you will get interest on 1000 rupees and 1000 rupees. But in compound interest, for first year this compound interest and simple interest will be same, but for second year your amount, your principal will be changed. For second year your amount will be 10,000, 1050. For second year this will be your new principal. For now, what interest you will get at the end of second year, that interest will be added to your last one principal. For third year you will get one new principal. So you are adding every year interest in your previous amount, previous principal. Then you are getting one new principal for next year. This is compound interest. Now you will get amount. Amount is principal plus your interest, whether it is simple interest or it is compound interest. Okay, amount will be principal or simple interest. Principal plus interest, that will be amount. Along with principal, what additional money you are getting, this collectively we will call amount. And for compound interest formula, it is P into 1 plus R by 100 its power T. P denote principal, T stands for time, and this R stands for rate of interest. Rate of interest. Now see, one formula is there. Suppose in any question we are given with amount. Amount is given to us, so we can find out from there principal also. And if we have to find out amount and principal and these quantities are given to us, then easily we can find out. Now, in this rate of interest and this time, it is said sometime they will say it is compounded half yearly, compounded yearly. Compounded yearly means then you have to find out interest at the end of 1 year. And compounded half yearly meaning is you have to calculate that interest in between. Half yearly means in 6 months, 2 times you will calculate. So in that case, what will happen? This rate will be half and time will be double. Suppose it was a time was 1 year. Time was 1 year when it is compounded annually, and when it is compounded half yearly, then your time will be 2 into 1, that is there are 2 half years. It will be 2 half years. You will write 2 half years. 2 half yearly means in 1 year there will be 2 half. 2 times you are calculating in 6 months interval you are calculating, and a rate will be half. A rate of interest will be half when you are finding your interest compounded half yearly. Now, one formula is for finding simple interest is a P into R into T by 100. P into R into T by 100. Now, from there we can derive more formulas also. It is simple, like I want to find out principal. In some case maybe principal is not given to us. In some case rate of interest is not given to us, and sometimes we have to find out time. So how we can find out that? From there principal will be, this 100 will be multiplied with the simple interest by this R into T, and if we need to find out rate of interest, then it will be simple interest into 100 by, it will be P into T. If we need to find out T, then it will be simple interest into 100 by principal into rate. So in this way we can find out of this anyone which is not given to us. So let us take a quick revision what we discussed today. First of all, I told you about what is ratio. Ratio is used for comparison. It is used for comparison of two quantity. So being a ratio, it has no unit. So there are other ways also of comparing, like we are comparing by subtraction also, by division also, and by this ratio also. So in this chapter especially we will compare with the help of ratio. And after that I told you about percentage, means out of 100 you have to find out quantity, and then I told about you discount. About discount I told you. So what is discount? Discount is given on marked price. It is a reduction of amount from marked price to attract buyers or to enhance their sellings. So some formulas also we discussed related to this discount. What is if we need to find out a discount, how we can find out? Marked price minus selling price, marked price minus selling price. And discount percentage, we can find out amount of discount by marked price into 100. And if we have to find out marked price and selling price is given to us, then 100 upon 100 minus discount into selling price, and selling price will be 100 minus discount by 100 into marked price. Now, after that, we discussed about tax. Tax is some additional charge that have to pay. We have to pay along with our marked price. So this will be added to your marked price all time. there is no reduction. This is some additional charge that you have to pay. It will be marked price if we have to find out, and when tax is given to us, then it will be 100 upon 100 plus tax. All time you have to add this one into selling price, and selling price will be 100 plus tax by 100 into marked price. And then we talked about this cost price and selling price, and further we got that loss will be when our selling price will be greater than when our cost price will be greater than selling price, and profit will be when our selling price is greater than our cost price. We can find out profit, amount of profit and amount of loss. We can find out loss and profit into percentage. Loss percentage will be amount of loss by CP into 100. Profit percentage will be amount of profit by CP into 100. And keep in mind, loss and profit always calculated on cost price. These are calculated on cost price. And then some formulas I have told about the cost price and selling price. Cost price, when loss is given to us, it will be 100 upon 100 minus loss into selling price. And if it is profit, then you have to add plus profit, and selling price will be 100 minus loss by 100 into CP, and SP will be 100 plus profit by 100 into CP. Now then simple interest and compound interest we discussed. In next video we are going to do examples of this chapter. So thank you for watching.